Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to activate a replacement card on Green Dot. To activate your replacement Green Dot card, you can use the official website, the mobile app, or a dedicated phone line as well. If you want to do it online, you just have to visit Green Dot activation page and enter your card details. What you need is just open up any browser that you have, type in Green Dot replacement card or replacement card activate, or you could just type in activate your card. This is where you could go ahead and tap open the link. Here you just have to log into your Green Dot app, or you might be prompted to just simply add in the 16-digit number and the month and a year and the CVV code, and make sure to mark on the terms as well and tap onto the submit button or the next. As soon as you do that, next page you can just go ahead and set a pin and you will be able to see a message indicating activate. This way you're supposed to activate your Green Dot replacement card on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.